Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel and welcome to day 8 of the 25 days of Craftmas. Today is also a very special day because I'm finishing the first row on my advent calendar. Look at all of these DIYs that I've done. And now I have to reach all the way over here to grab bag 8 to find out what the heck I am doing today. Okay, let's do it. In 3, 2, 1, go. Gingerbread cardboard box hanger. That is a mouthful. Let me explain, because I wasn't sure what to call this, so I just literally wrote down everything I saw. So I saw this picture online of this really cute decor piece that had all of these small little cardboard boxes that were decorated to look like gingerbread houses. I've also seen a few different options for this decor piece. I've seen ones like the one that I'm thinking of making, which is having little small like 3D gingerbread houses. I've also seen some ones that have just flat cardboard cutouts that are supposed to look like gingerbread houses. And then I've seen ones that are made out of brown paper bags that are cut and shaped to look like gingerbread houses. I'm kind of playing around with what I want mine to look like. I'm not sure. But my main reason for adding this to the list is because I also think this would be such a fun craft to do for kids. If you have small kids, you could prep all of the cardboard and just have them decorate it. If you have slightly older kids, they could help with the whole thing and you could put it together. And there's so many options for this little gingerbread hanger piece that you could really just like choose your own adventure. I already went ahead and actually purchased some stuff to do this project about a month ago, so I'm gonna go grab that stuff and we can get started. That feels so good. How does coffee feel good? I don't know. It feels good on my soul. Okay guys, I have to be honest, I don't know what I'm doing for this DIY. I have like really no game plan whatsoever. The only thing that I'm tossing around is the idea of having some 3D gingerbread houses with some flat gingerbread houses and kind of combining the two options. What I have for this DIY, or what I got, I have hot glue, I have paint markers to actually decorate the little gingerbread houses. I have some tape just in case I need it. But the thing that I went ahead and ordered off of Amazon is this pack of 25 little 4x4 cardboard boxes. And I figured I could use these to create the little gingerbread houses. So I'm not sure if these are too big and I'm gonna have to completely tear them apart and put them back together again. I don't know if this is a good size. I'm not really sure. So I think what my first step is gonna be is just playing around with these cardboard boxes and seeing what I can create as far as creating a gingerbread house shape. And then we can go from there.
I determined pretty quickly that the 4x4 boxes were still gonna be too big, so I got to work completely taking a box apart and putting it back together to make an even smaller gingerbread house.
Okay guys, I've gone ahead and played around with the cardboard, and although this looks okay, this is pretty messy. So by playing around with this, what I think I am going to do is create a flat version of this hanger. And I think I'm gonna create mine to be a little door hanger because I would rather go simple and have it be nice and clean looking than try to overcomplicate it with these 3D gingerbread houses and have it be messy. So next step is taking these cardboard boxes and cutting them up into all different shapes and sizes to create these gingerbread houses.
After cutting out all of the house shapes, I started to decorate all of them just using a white paint marker, and this took a while, actually a very long time to decorate each one of these houses, to the point that I didn't think I would finish this DIY in one day. I was pretty determined to make each house different and have a unique look to it, and coming up with all of those designs took a while. Don't get me wrong, I was having a lot of fun, but if you want to speed up the process of this DIY, you could definitely have some repeating designs, or just pick one design and do that over and over and over again. Or if you want to take my approach, maybe pop on a Christmas movie, probably more like 2 Christmas movies, sit on your couch and have some fun creating some cardboard gingerbread houses. And I think the best part of this DIY is how different you can make it. And I don't personally have kids, but I've got a very crafty niece and nephews, and I know for a fact they would have so much fun doing this project, and you really could cater it to any age.
Okay, I have all of my gingerbread cutouts decorated. So now it is time to put this hanger together. And I'm gonna be putting mine on my door. So I went outside and I cut a little branch that can fit on my door. And I have twine here, and I'm just gonna be wrapping the twine around the branch and then hanging these cardboard gingerbread houses at different lengths. I also might go ahead and add some decorative pine cones that I have to just like fill it in and just like add some variety, but I'm gonna wait to see what just having the gingerbread houses look like, and then I'll kind of add final touches from there.
I was thinking of adding those decorative pine cones because I wasn't sure if I created enough gingerbread houses to have this door hanger have a nice filled in look, but after stringing up a few of them, I realized I definitely had enough, and I scrapped the decorative pine cone idea. But all of that being said, that would also be a super cute look to add to your door hanger. And also I just want to throw in another option. Instead of making a door hanger or a wall hanger, what you could do is take some cardboard gingerbread houses and make some garland, which would be even easier than the door/wall hanger that I made. And that is it, guys. I am really happy with how my little door hanger turned out. If I could go back, there'd probably be a few things that I would change or tweak, but they're really minor. But for the most part, I'm really happy with it, and I'm really glad I went with the flat version, because the flat version still took a long time, and the 3D version would have definitely taken much longer and probably would have been like a 2 or 3 day project. And if you do this DIY with kids, let me know how it goes. I would love to see some kid versions of this DIY. I hope you guys liked this video and project. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 9 of the 25 days of Craftmas. Bye, guys.